Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can deposit money to your Zelle account. So let's jump right in. Now, just to clarify, Zelle itself doesn't hold money like PayPal or Cash App. It works directly through your bank. So to send or deposit money with Zelle, you need to have a bank account that's linked with it. Open your banking app like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, or whichever supports Zelle and log in. Look for the Send Money with Zelle option. If it's your first time, you'll need to register using your email or US phone number. Once that's done, you can enter the recipient's email or phone number, type in the amount you want to send, and confirm. The money goes straight from your bank to there's no middle wallet. If your bank doesn't support Zelle, you can download the Zelle app separately from the Play Store or App Store, sign up, and link your debit card to send money that way. Just remember, Zelle is for sending money, not holding it, so there's no deposit into Zelle itself. Hope that clears things up.